What you doing, Henry?
Doing some work.
What kind of work you doing?
Heavy work on this.
How'd you get Henry work done?
In 1 minute.
You're gonna do it on the label maker?
No.
What kind of labels are you making?
2.
2 labels?
Nah.
No.
No.
Is it not working?
No.
What's the matter with it?
It's coming out.
That's good, right? Oh, you're making a mess.
No, I need that. Some more.
More Henry work?
And there. Oh,
Is that enough?
no.
How much more you gotta do?
Well,
You have to work for hours?
I will make me Henry.
I'll make a Henry sticker.
Me, Henry.
There goes all my label tape.
Why?
We're gonna run out.
It's me, Henry.
That says Henry.
Yeah.
You did a good job. Okay, tell everyone goodbye.